Welcome to Get3 Rumah Produksi Channel.
Okay, I will try to share my planet. Yeah, okay. That's our. Wait a minute. Where is it? Yeah, okay. But okay. That's our plan. How to create flag animation with screenplay like this, yeah, and frame 1, frame 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. But now I will teach all of you this object first. Yeah, we know the size have 2000 pixel, yeah, and I will use a node offset to move this object. Okay, let's try. Okay, let's finish. Yeah, 1 2 3 4 5, and we will create number 6. Okay, just set first node offset 2100 pixel. Yeah, because I know this width, the length is 100 pixel. Okay, let's try. I want to copy, Control C, Control V, and then move here. That's it. Yeah, and I will check it. It's clear or not. Okay, maybe a bit. Yeah, moving a bit. Use shift like this. Okay, okay, great. Then I'll check on the bottom. Yeah, see, great. Okay, okay, but now I will make this like this. Yeah, okay. I will copy first, Control C, Control V. Oh, sorry, too much far. Okay, and I want to ungroup like this. Okay, sorry. Yeah, and I want to make a wheel. Yeah, and then create like this. Yeah, so like this will. Okay, we'll check it. Okay, sorry. Ungroup all. I will check it. Okay, 1 millimeter, and I will change to 1 millimeter 2. After that, I create no outline, and then okay, sorry, no fill. That's it. Yeah. Okay, let's try. I will to copy this. Yeah, Control C, Control V. Of this. That's it. We'll check. Okay, it's range order to front. That's it. Control C, Control V. Move here. Control C, Control V. Move here. Control C, Control V. Move here. And last. Yeah. Okay, you will see. Choose again, and then arrange order to from. Yeah, you will see the silhouette. Yeah, okay, let's finish. I will convert, export. Yeah, export to Okay, I'm ready for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 6. Yeah, it's a number 6. Okay, export. Okay, finish. Yeah. Okay, but now I will to show how to create this. Yeah, I prepare the scenario like this, and I use rectangle 2 shaping. Use shaping and well. Yeah. Okay, I get 100. Okay, take a look. Okay, that's it. Active shaping. Okay, with intersect, choose intersect this, get the result, and then intersect this to get the result and take the result. That's it. It's a frame number 1. Yeah. Frame number 2, I move this rectangle. Yeah, look at this. It's number 2. Intersect with this and then intersect with this. I have frame number 2. Yeah, same. Okay, and then move again, intersect with this and then intersect with this. See the result. Frame number 3 like this. Yeah, if you want to make us very smooth, we will have many frame. Okay, yeah. Okay, I will stop this screen first. Let's try to layout on Flash. Okay, layout on Flash. Okay, it's a Flash now. Yeah, it's a Flash. I will change first. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah. Action script 3, it's okay. Action script 2, it's okay. I use Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. Okay, that's it. Now I want to import 2 states. Yeah, and then choose number 1. Yeah, number 1. Open. And the unique of Adobe Flash, know that this file appear to be a part of a square of image. Yeah, because we have image with use number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, and I save on one folder. Yeah, remember we try don't any image on that folder. Yeah, do you want to import all the images on the square? If we click the button yes, the result look like this. Yeah, frame 1, frame 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See? Okay. Oh, sorry. Wrong. I think it's wrong. Okay, let's try. Okay. Okay. Let's close here. No, I will change first. Here, I will try to move the roof on top. Yeah, okay. I will export again number 6. Okay, I'm ready. Okay, that's it. Now I will stop share again. Okay, I will share again the flash. Yeah, okay, action script 2, and then try to import to stage. Now the frame number 6 is square right. Yeah, number 1. Okay, that's it. Yeah, we will see the rope on top the flag. Okay, we try. Okay, that's it. Control enter to play. We'll see like this. Yeah, and the rope is right. The smooth moving from flag animation, it's right too. Okay, thank you for watching. See you. Oh, sorry, we'll say first flag smooth. Okay, save. Okay, thank you for watching. I will teach all of you how to create right scenario, right scenario, right scenario. Okay, once again, thank you for watching. See you on next lesson. See you soon, Sobat Tris. We meet next time. Don't miss it.
Don't forget subscribe, like, and share guys. Turn on notification.